Cool. Okay, so how do we get Google Drive set up? So first thing is you go to Google. Okay, so you go to your normal Google thing, you sign in. Here I am, I'm signed in as me. All right. You're going to go to the apps and you're going to choose Google Drive. And when you choose Google Drive, it'll come up like this. Eventually, My Drive. Now, if you've got something saved, it'll be up in there. If you don't have anything saved, this will all be blank. So let's assume this is all blank. So we're going to start off with making a new folder. So we go over here to New, and we've got New Folder. We're going to name this folder Establishment 2019. I'm going to call this one Canterbury. Please choose either whatever area you need and hit create. That's really important because if supervisors and or interviewers get access into other areas, they could be lost. So just make sure that you've got that. So there we go, Establishment 2019 Canterbury. And there's our folder, and it is empty. So I'm going to go into this area here, blank area. I'm going to right click and I'm going to put a new Google Sheet in place. Now, depending on what you're using, I'm on the laptop and it's on Wi-Fi, so it's going to take a little while just to actually download the thing. But on your computer, it should be a bit quicker than this if you're connected straight in. One of the things that I found is that we needed to put an example of how I wanted the interviewers to set up the spreadsheet, and we've called that AAA example. Okay, so we're going to set that up first. And we'll still see we're working. Right, so that's now there. If I go into here, I've cunningly already cut and pasted an example, but when you do it, you can always come to mine and cut and paste it from there, or you can do your own. Basically, what we're after is the name of the map area, the AU number, household number, street name, and code. I've made them all general, so you can actually have 1/7 and 2/7 and jump block and stuff like that. And I've centered them all. Yeah. You can see here it says all changes saved in the drive. So every change you make is automatically saved in the drive. Okay. What we do want to do is want to give this a name. So that name is going to be AAA example. Okay. And all changes are saved. So that's fine. So that means I can now, if I just jump back into there, I can now close that. Doesn't show up in here, but that's because we haven't reloaded the page. We reload the page, and through the wonders of modern technology, I'm going to say, hey presto, hope this works. And there it is. There is your example spreadsheet. So you can just click into it to open it. Once it wants to be there. And it'll open up the spreadsheet. Right. Yay. So you need to be able to share your folder with people. I'll close that off. So here's your folder we're in. We want to share this with people. So you enter the names or email addresses. So in this, we're going to enter the email addresses. So Kerry, I'm going to share this with you. Kerry Hunter at Kantar. And you just add more people, right? So you just add all your interviewers in, every single interviewer. Please add Kerry into all these spreadsheets so that she can see them. But put all your interviewers in. Once you've got everybody in, right, we need to go to advanced, because you're going to say we want to make all these people private only you. Anyone who has a link can access with no sign-in required. That's fine. Access can organize, add, and edit. Save that. So anyone who's got the link, so if you have not added the right email address in, or there's someone else you've forgotten, then they can just send the link, they can get in, and they can organize, add, and edit. All right, we save that. And away you go. Once you've got your list of everyone you want to invite, then you send it. All right, I'm not going to send this now because that would be silly. Right, that's the end of that video.